Meh. 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 Hello everyone, peace be upon you guys. Welcome to another vlog. And since my last vlog, you can tell I've had haircut and I've got my new Galaxy S7 arrived yesterday, so I've been using it since yesterday. It's pretty good, but today I'm gonna put it to test. I'm going for a hike at Snowdon in Wales, and I will be vlogging with this phone from now on. Everyone, just parked my car and now we are heading off to the summit. And look, yeah. Alright, thanks. These two dogs went past. Hello. And check this view out there. But we're not going to that side, we're going to this other summit down this way. It is pretty tiring, already tired. I've only just walked up like a few hundred meters, so almost halfway, and I've done 8,000 steps. Just had this notification on the phone saying that I have achieved my target, 8,000 steps, which I didn't set anyways. And I'll show you guys this summit. You can't see it from here, but I'll try because of the sun, the weather. Let me try. And I'm still using my S7 to vlog. I'm kind of out of breath, but the views are amazing. Just give you a quick 360, but you'll have to see my face. Views are stunning, absolutely stunning. You can see the summit just appearing on the other side, but a long way to go. Okay guys, so we are here on this train station next to the summit. So this is the engine that runs. Here it is. I'll show you guys. Oh, let me go back. There you go. I think it's not exactly steam engine, but it runs like it's got something like turbine because of the sound that it makes. It sounds like turbine. But look at this. Oh. 320 horsepower. This is not the summit, but this is just like, you know, one of the train stations just before summit, and summit's all the way over there somewhere there. That's, but it's quite. Watch this. Watch it going. Oh no, watch this one. Watch it. I'll show you perfect one. Just in the bottom here.